Oh, oh, sweet mama. Go, baby, go. There we go, bitch. Close. Close. GJ, bro. Close out of positions. Ah, ah, ah. So just landed in Miami. Don't really see any trade setups yet, but I think we're gonna probably have like a third touch somewhere right over here. So I think I'm gonna take a buy. So yeah. Me taking a buy right now is probably gonna be the best thing I can do. So we're gonna go ahead and jump in, GJ. Bam. Like somewhere. Gonna give it some time to breathe. It could probably retrace a little bit more, but I'm just gonna get Alright, so feels good to be home. Just got back home in Miami. So currently rushing through the airport. You see, oh yeah, I can see the fit check. Got my Rick Owens on, my cargo pants, and my Chrome Hearts tee. But you know, rushing to the fucking car. You feel me? When I get to the car, I'll give you an update on the trade. Last time I checked, I was in some good profits though. So we'll see. We'll see. GJ's kind of tripping a little bit, but we'll see how it goes. Alright, so first and foremost, this is why I like the hat. I added these patches to it, you know. From New York, so you know what I'm saying, how we gotta do it. But that's really not what we here for this. Fly, bitch! Fly! Just got to the car too. I'm like running late and I said I gotta give y'all a trade update because like, oh, sweet mama. Go, baby, I ain't doing none of these things. You're shitting me? That's a true fact though. Gonna lie. Gotta listen to that good old music. You know me, I get turned. Back to what I was saying. What GJ doing?
Bro, you being fake ugly right now, bro. Well, as I got to see, it's currently 8:42.
Wait, when I'm trading, I don't like people bothering me really too much, so I keep my phone on DND. I don't really be replying to nobody. So, hey, listen, man. Tell you straight up like how it is. If you watching this and you text me, when I'm in my mode, don't nobody bother me, please. You know what I'm saying?
Yo, Houston, we have liftoff. Houston, we have motherfucking liftoff. I think it's safe to say we can record, because we are about to close out. Damn, bro. Every time I say I'm gonna close out, I should do some gay shit. You know what I'm saying? But see that candle right there? You just need to stop. Bing, bing, just push up. You know what's so crazy? It's gonna push up. It's gonna hit that 250 and then probably reject up there. Cause let me show you the time frame real quick. See, like, it rejects out every time it taps up there. All I just need to do is go back up there so I can just do my thing. You feel me? Like, it's right there. As soon as it does, I'm gonna get my little screenshot like a fan and be like this. Bing! I'm gonna get it like that and then I'm gonna close. You gotta solidify your mark. But you know what I'm saying? Bro. Yo, this be like the most annoyingest part right here. Cause like this joint wanna go up so bad. So bad. There we go. Oh, fucking with me. Y'all see all my products I got, bro? I got all these colognes and shit. And I got my face routine. Got the toothbrush. And I got GJ. But bro, GJ is right there. I just really wanted to hit 3,500, so it's like, you know, like I made a 5K profit today. I feel like that's good, bro. I got 220 lots in here. I'm not even really trying to do too much. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to close. I'm trying to get up out of here. You know what I'm saying? The move like, oh, bitch. There we go, bitch. Close. Close. There we go, bitch. With that bitch! Yeah. Yeah, and look at the fucking move. We hit TP5. So, I gotta let the Discord know room. Just closed out at TP5 everyone. All day. Been called another move for my team. Got out of that shit. I'm Gucci. I'm done with it. You know what I'm saying? Back to brushing the waves and making announcements. You feel me? I'll see y'all guys in the morning. Thank you for trading with Air Juicy. You're shitting me. It's 2:52 a.m. I woke up to use the bathroom, but you know how it be when you're a trader. So let's talk about that. So I saw this area of support right here, right? Let me just borrow this little line. Move that little line like right there. I saw this area of support being made, and I went back to the 1 hour time frame, and I noticed that we were doing a retest of this area right here. As you can see down here, the market came down here before, it pulled back, found support down here, pushed up, and then came back for this retest. So we were just there not too long ago, and long story short, I did this. Took a buy. So I'm currently floating. All right, so I'm in the office. I don't know if y'all remember that trade I took earlier, but this is why you don't wake up and take trades this early, man. It's currently 5:23, and this is what I'm looking like. We keep on rejecting this area, but I don't know, man. Let me show you like where we are higher time frame. Higher time frames, like we're attempting to complete the retest for a higher low, so this area should hold, because as you can see, it's like previous support, and then we're right there next to that previous one. So as long as the area hold, ideally we should be good. But GJ acting like it don't want to hold, bro. I don't know, we'll see. But ideally it should hold right here. This ideally should be it. If not, we're gonna come back down for a little bit more to go back up. So this is one of them things, man. We will definitely see how this trade goes. We'll see how it plays out. We'll see how it goes in the nutshell, in the long shell, and we'll see most importantly where this trade takes us. So I am negative 7K right now. Nope. And it's like the way how this GJ move is setting up, I'm gonna take an L today. Well, I'm not gonna speak that into existence, but y'all see the downtrend. So yeah, I don't know. I'm still holding, still letting it breathe, but I still trust in my analysis at this moment in time. Like, I took some more entries as you slid before, and we're down here with it now. It's currently 6:18. I gotta go for some cardio shortly. Your boy's floating basically 6.8K, 7. Yeah, 7. Just hit another TP. Now I'm thinking about just getting out of my target at TP6 like normal. I would have recovered and made a little bit more profit for the day. It's Wednesday, so you know what I'm saying? Week 2 type shit. But this move is showing great signs of potential of continuing the longs. So I think I'm definitely just gonna hold out here. Let's definitely see how this goes, because I'm gonna start running at least by 6:45. So I'm gonna give some time. So let's see if something explosive happens or what happens in general. Let's see. All right, so just came back in from a run / the sauna / the steam room. Bro, let me tell y'all about GJ, bro. So was in profit during the end of my run, and I'll show. We hit these highs right here. By the way, it's 8:05. We hit these highs right here, and I'm like, yo, we lit. So then, you know, comes the retest for market structure. So, you know, I go back into drawdown. I went from seeing, I don't even know how much profit I saw right here. I don't even know. That's the fucked up part because I was running. And by the time I stopped running, it did this candle where it rejected. And I was like, you fucking bitch. That's all I could say. Couldn't call it nothing else but besides that. All right, so the moment has come. Recovery's in season, and it's time to close out GJ. Let's see. GJ is right there. We're about to hit for 53 pips, but I said, fuck that shit. I'm floating around 13K. I lost 10K earlier. This is 3K more than what I lost. So we're gonna go to the Sway Charts Pro apps. Cool. 12. All right. Just need that slight little push. 13K, bitch. Let's go. Yiddly. Close all the positions. Ooh. Close all the positions. Ooh. Close all the positions. Ooh. Ah. 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 I'm done. All right. Good morning. Good morning. Hold on. I'm a little dark. GJ. So I am currently, you can see signals tab, everything like that. So I'm floating 5K. I think I'm done for the week at this point in time. Let's see where GJ's at. It's still pushing. TP4 is about to get slapped. Took this move this morning like around the time I normally trade. It's normally 4:52 a.m. and I'm about to be done. I'm about to be fucking done. Bro, God is so good. God is so good. It's done for the week. Bam. Don't mind the dirty clothes back there, but boom. 44 fucking K. Done for the fucking week ski. Me. Yes, man, it feels good. It feels good to be just crushing this shit. Oh my God. But I'm about to get back some sleep. Deuces, y'all. Thank y'all. I appreciate y'all. Y'all know, you know what I'm saying? Like, this week's just been crazy. Crazy. But we did it. You feel me? We did it.